Thanks very much for your outstanding speech. We express our gratitude to the President for his kind with celebrating today's gathering. Thank you very much once again. And now we'll take a moment to proceed with the inauguration ceremony for the President of Federation of Asian Veterinary Associations. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the FAVA banner is now being presented. Please welcome it with a big round of applause. President Mr. Isao Krauts is first to receive the flag. And please pass over the flag to the President of Mr. Hono of Korea Veterinary Medical Association. 여러분 큰 박수로 보내주시기 바랍니다. Special recognition established by FAVA General Assembly and is presented to acknowledge the veterinarians who embody their social responsibilities and have sincere future veterinarians recognize the ability. This year's esteemed recipient is Dr. Yongchan Kim Yongchan, a specialist in bovine veterinary medicine. Before inviting to the stage, please allow us to showcase his work and commitment as a veterinarian. 선생님입니다. 기념사의 박사님의 큰 박수로 맞아주시기 바랍니다. We would like to welcome our honored representative, Dr. Yongchan Kim, with our utmost respect. Yes, Dr. Yongchan Kim has been a tremendous beacon of support for farmers. So we would like to present their work. Achievement Award, Yongchan Kim. Your profound dedication and exceptional professionalism in the field of veterinary medicine have served as a beacon of inspiration to countless individuals. Your remarkable contributions have significant congratulations and thank you very much.